7 foods rich in vitamin B1, aka thiamine. Number 1. Lean pork. The amount of thiamine in lean pork is approximately 0.9 mg per 100 gram serving. Pork is also rich in protein, vitamin B6, niacin, selenium, and zinc. Pork is an excellent food choice for muscle maintenance due to its high protein content. In addition, intake of pork supports immune function and red blood cell production. Because of its rich selenium content, pork helps maintain proper thyroid function as well. Number 2. Sunflower seeds. These tiny nutritional powerhouses contain about 1.5 mg of thiamine per 100 grams. They are also rich in vitamin E, magnesium, selenium, copper, and healthy fats. Because of their high antioxidant content, sunflower seeds promote heart health, reduce inflammation, support skin health, and reduce the risk of cancer. Number 3. Beans. Beans provide approximately 0.2 mg of thiamine per 100 gram serving. They are a good source of fiber. Additionally, beans are rich in plant-based protein, folate, iron, and magnesium. Regular intake of beans promotes gut health, reduces inflammation, helps regulate blood sugar levels, and supports heart and brain health. Number 4. Fortified breakfast cereals. The amount of vitamin B1 in breakfast cereals may vary. Nonetheless, they provide around 1 to 2 mg of thiamine per 100 grams. These foods are often fortified with other nutrients, including iron, niacin, folic acid, and vitamin B12. Number 5. Brown rice. Brown rice contains about 0.4 mg of thiamine per 100 grams. It is also rich in magnesium, manganese, fiber, and selenium. Number 6. Trout. Fatty fish like trout are one of the most nutritious foods available. It provides approximately 0.4 mg of thiamine per 100 grams. Trout is an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which support heart health. Additionally, it provides high-quality protein, vitamin D, vitamin B12, and selenium. Number 7. Green peas. Green peas give you around 0.3 mg of thiamine per 100 grams. They are high in vitamin C, fiber, folate, and vitamin K. Regular intake of green peas supports immune function, promotes cardiovascular health, enhances digestion, and helps maintain regular blood sugar levels.